Unlock crossover design mastery with this step-by-step guide. Crossover design is revolutionizing project management by offering a dynamic approach that enhances flexibility and adaptability. This method allows teams to alternate between different project elements, ensuring a comprehensive understanding and improved outcomes. By integrating diverse perspectives, crossover design helps teams navigate complex challenges effectively, making it a game-changer in achieving project success. Simply put, crossover design is a strategic approach where project components are systematically interchanged to maximize efficiency and insights. This method encourages an iterative process, allowing for adjustments and refinements based on real-time feedback. It ensures that all aspects of a project are thoroughly evaluated, leading to more informed decision-making and successful outcomes. Mastering crossover design is crucial for project managers aiming to optimize resources and outputs. It equips them with the tools to handle multifaceted challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. By understanding this approach, managers can enhance their strategic planning, improve team collaboration, and ultimately deliver projects that exceed stakeholder expectations. Utilizing crossover design in projects offers numerous benefits, including increased agility, improved problem-solving capabilities, and enhanced innovation. It allows teams to test different scenarios, identify potential issues early, and develop creative solutions. This approach fosters a proactive project environment, resulting in higher quality deliverables and greater stakeholder satisfaction. A successful crossover design begins with clearly defining the project's objectives and goals. This foundational step ensures that all team members align their efforts towards a common vision. Clear objectives provide direction and purpose, guiding decision-making and prioritization throughout the project lifecycle. This clarity is essential for maintaining focus and achieving desired outcomes. Gathering the necessary resources for crossover design involves identifying all materials, tools, and information required to support the project. This process ensures that the team has everything needed to execute the project plan efficiently. Proper resource allocation minimizes delays and enhances productivity, setting a strong foundation for successful implementation. Developing a detailed project plan is crucial in crossover design. This blueprint outlines the project's scope, tasks, timelines, and responsibilities. A comprehensive plan provides clarity and direction, enabling the team to stay focused and aligned with project goals. It also serves as a reference point for tracking progress and making informed decisions. Assembling a skilled project team is essential in crossover design. A diverse team brings varied expertise and perspectives, fostering innovation and problem-solving. Each member plays a critical role, from project managers overseeing the process to specialists handling technical tasks, ensuring all aspects of the design are addressed effectively. Risk analysis is a vital component of crossover design. By identifying potential challenges early, the team can develop strategies to mitigate them, reducing the likelihood of setbacks. This proactive approach allows for the anticipation of issues and the implementation of contingency plans, ensuring smoother project execution and increased chances of success. Implementing the crossover design plan requires effective communication among team members. Open lines of communication facilitate collaboration, keep everyone informed, and ensure that issues are addressed promptly. By fostering a culture of transparency, the team can work cohesively towards achieving project goals, adapting swiftly to any changes or challenges that arise. Conducting a thorough risk analysis is crucial in crossover design, as it helps identify potential pitfalls before they become major issues. This proactive approach allows project managers to anticipate challenges and devise strategies to mitigate them, ensuring smooth execution and minimizing disruptions throughout the project's lifecycle. Identifying potential challenges early in the project management process is essential for maintaining momentum and avoiding costly setbacks. By pinpointing risks at the outset, teams can allocate resources effectively, develop contingency plans, and ensure that they are well prepared to address any obstacles that may arise. Implementing the crossover design plan requires a well-coordinated effort and attention to detail. Every team member must understand their role and responsibilities to execute tasks efficiently. Adherence to the plan ensures that the project progresses as intended, keeping the team on track to achieve their objectives. Effective communication during implementation is pivotal in maintaining alignment among team members and stakeholders. Clear, consistent updates ensure everyone is informed about progress, changes, and any issues that need addressing. This transparency fosters trust and collaboration, enabling the team to work cohesively toward project success. Monitoring progress and making necessary adjustments is vital to staying on course. Regular check-ins and evaluations help track milestones and identify areas requiring attention. By being agile and adaptable, project teams can swiftly address deviations, ensuring that the project remains aligned with its goals and objectives. Efficiently tracking project milestones involves using project management tools to monitor progress against the timeline. Regular check-ins and updates ensure the team stays on course. Visual aids like Gantt charts can help visualize progress, making it easier to identify delays and adjust plans proactively to meet project goals. Post-project analysis and feedback offer invaluable insights into what worked well and areas for improvement. This reflection allows teams to learn from successes and mistakes, fostering growth and innovation. Gathering feedback from all stakeholders ensures a comprehensive understanding of the project's impact and enhances future project planning. Managing crossover design in complex projects requires clear communication and strong leadership. Break down large tasks into manageable segments and prioritize them based on impact and urgency. Ensure team members understand their roles and responsibilities, fostering collaboration and reducing the risk of overlap or miscommunication. Common mistakes in crossover design include inadequate planning, unrealistic timelines, and poor resource allocation. Avoid these pitfalls by setting clear objectives, conducting thorough research, and involving all stakeholders early in the process. Regularly review project plans to ensure they align with changing circumstances and stakeholder expectations. Maintaining team motivation and focus involves recognizing achievements and providing support during challenges. Encourage open communication and create an environment where team members feel valued and heard. Offering opportunities for skill development and celebrating milestones can boost morale and keep the team engaged throughout the project lifecycle. Maintaining team motivation and focus in crossover design can be achieved through clear communication and recognition of achievements. Regularly celebrating milestones and fostering a collaborative environment encourage engagement. Offering professional development opportunities and ensuring each member's contributions are valued can keep the team energized and aligned with project objectives. Technology plays a crucial role in crossover design by streamlining communication, enhancing collaboration, and optimizing resource management. Utilizing project management software allows for real-time updates and efficient workflow tracking. Integrating digital tools can also facilitate data analysis and visualization, enabling teams to make informed decisions and adapt swiftly. Optimizing crossover design for future projects involves analyzing past performance to identify areas for improvement. Gathering feedback from team members and stakeholders can reveal valuable insights. Implementing lessons learned into new strategies ensures a more refined approach, fostering continuous growth and increasing the likelihood of future success. Real-life examples of successful crossover design projects often showcase innovative solutions and improved efficiency. For instance, companies have used crossover design to revolutionize product development, leading to faster market entry and higher customer satisfaction. These successes highlight the transformative potential of crossover design in overcoming complex challenges and achieving strategic goals. Crossover design enhances innovation by encouraging flexible thinking and multidisciplinary collaboration. It breaks down silos and promotes diverse perspectives, leading to creative problem-solving. This approach not only generates novel ideas but also accelerates their implementation, providing a competitive edge in rapidly changing markets and fostering a culture of continuous innovation. Crossover design fosters innovation by facilitating collaboration across diverse fields, allowing teams to merge distinct ideas into groundbreaking solutions. This approach encourages creative thinking and adaptability, enabling projects to evolve dynamically. By integrating varied perspectives, crossover design breaks conventional barriers, leading to unique outcomes that drive progress and set new industry standards. Effective budget management in crossover design requires meticulous planning and resource allocation. By understanding the project's scope and maintaining financial discipline, Teams can ensure that innovative ideas are realized within constraints. Regular financial reviews and cost-benefit analyses help balance ambitions with practicality, ensuring the project's financial health and overall success. Stakeholder engagement is crucial in crossover design. Involving stakeholders early ensures their needs and expectations are met, fostering trust and collaboration. Open communication channels keep stakeholders informed and invested, minimizing resistance and facilitating smoother project execution. Their insights can also drive innovation and validate project directions. Handling unexpected challenges in crossover design demands agility and resilience. Teams should anticipate potential obstacles and remain adaptable, using creative problem-solving to navigate issues. Emphasizing a proactive mindset allows teams to turn challenges into opportunities, ensuring the project remains on course and achieves its objectives despite disruptions. Effective decision-making in crossover design hinges on clear communication and data-driven insights. Leaders should cultivate an environment where team members feel empowered to contribute ideas and solutions. By leveraging diverse perspectives and available data, decision-makers can make informed choices that align with project goals and enhance overall outcomes. Leadership is pivotal in crossover design, guiding teams through complex processes and ensuring alignment with project goals. Effective leaders foster collaboration, facilitate clear communication, and inspire innovation. By setting a vision and direction, leaders help teams navigate challenges, adapt to changes, and maintain focus on achieving successful project outcomes. Aligning crossover design with organizational goals requires a strategic approach. Teams must understand the broader mission and how their project contributes to it. This alignment ensures that resources are effectively allocated and efforts are streamlined, maximizing impact and delivering value that resonates with the organization's objectives and stakeholders. A comprehensive checklist enhances project management efficiency in crossover design. It includes defining clear objectives, identifying resources, assembling a skilled team, and setting realistic timelines. By systematically addressing each aspect, project managers can ensure thorough preparation, mitigate risks, and maintain a structured approach throughout the project lifecycle. Quality control is essential in crossover design to ensure project deliverables meet the required standards. Regular assessments and feedback loops help identify deviations and areas for improvement. Maintaining high quality not only satisfies stakeholder expectations, but also strengthens the project's credibility and long-term success. Flexibility is a crucial component of crossover design, allowing teams to adapt to unforeseen changes and challenges. Embracing flexibility means being open to new ideas, modifying plans as needed, and remaining resilient. This adaptability helps maintain project momentum and ensures successful outcomes despite evolving circumstances. Feedback plays a crucial role in refining crossover design. By actively seeking input from team members and stakeholders, you can identify areas for improvement and enhance overall project outcomes. Constructive criticism helps fine-tune strategies, ensuring that future projects are even more successful and aligned with organizational goals. Leveraging crossover design can set your projects apart by creating a competitive advantage. This approach fosters innovation and adaptability, enabling your organization to respond swiftly to market changes. By mastering crossover design, you position your team to deliver superior results, surpassing competitors and driving long-term success. To succeed in mastering crossover design, focus on the key steps that ensure project excellence. By defining clear objectives, assembling a skilled team, and continuously monitoring progress, you can enhance project outcomes. Embrace flexibility, seek feedback, and leverage technology to optimize each phase of your project management journey. Consider applying crossover design principles to your next project. Doing so can streamline processes, foster innovation, and improve outcomes. By integrating these strategies, you'll enhance project efficiency and effectiveness, setting a higher standard for future endeavors. Encourage your team to embrace this approach and unlock the potential for success. Share your experiences with crossover design in the comments to foster a community of learning and growth. By exchanging insights and lessons learned, you contribute to a collective understanding of best practices, helping others navigate challenges and achieve success in their own crossover design projects. Like, share. Subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.